Hi guys, this is Young. For the last couple of weeks, we have been investigating which action camera you should take on your summer beach holiday. And now there's actually another contender in the market releasing from 15th of June, quite quietly. And it is the company called SJ Cam. SJ Cam has been actually producing some really decent budget action camera. I've seen my friends using it and it actually took surprisingly very good video. And the catchphrase is that it only costs $240. I mean, this right now is going at around like $350. And also this, the original price of course is $350. So these two top of the range action cameras are $350 US, and then minus $110, you get SJ9 Strike. So now let's quickly go through the SJ9 specs. Actually, there are two cameras releasing. One is SJ9 Strike and the other one is SJ Max, which is going at $160. So SJ Strike uses the sensor from Sony IMX377, which is basically the same sensor as SJ8. And the lens that it uses is 7-layer glass with two aspherical glass lenses. Video resolutions, which is really important, is 4K 60 frames per second, but that is without gyro stabilization. That's a real shame considering both of these cameras have hyper smooth and rock steady at 4K 60 frames per second. But from 4K 30 frames per second, it has inner 6-axis gyroscope. So the key difference is that it has a gyroscope to actually stabilize the footage, which is different from GoPro and Osmo Action, which have electronic stabilization, which have proved to be excellent. But I'm actually really curious to see how the physical stabilization with gyroscope really works. Photo resolution actually don't really differ from these cameras. Video format is MP4. Of course, the device will be connected through app via Wi-Fi transmission. What's quite special about SJ9 Strike is that it's capable of wireless charging. I'm sort of excited to see how fast it can charge through wireless charging because these devices do not have wireless charging. And in the spec it says digital zoom is possible up to 8 times. I'm curious whether it will be meaningful zoom. Let's find out. Battery capacity, battery duration are similar in specs. Back screen is 2.33 inch. It would be bigger than Osmo Pocket 2.25 inch. It will have front screen which would actually show the setting, so very similar to GoPro. It will have usual video lapse, slow motion still photos, photo time lapses, car modes, and FPV modes as well. It would be waterproof up to 10 meters without waterproof case, which would basically be the same as GoPro 10 meters and Osmo Pocket 11 meters. I'm really excited because SJ9 Strike comes at the price $240 US. That's $110 cheaper. I mean, with $110, you can buy the latest Galaxy Fit watch, or you can order like 5 or 6 chicken meal with it. So I want to find out for those of you guys who haven't actually purchased the action camera and are looking to do so for this summer. So please stay tuned, subscribe, and like this video. So see you!